Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to give your WordPress site a fresh new look, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a WordPress theme step by step. What is a WordPress theme? A WordPress theme is a collection of interconnected files, style sheets, templates, images, and code that shape your site's front-end visual appearance. Themes allow you to control your website's design elements like colors, page layout, fonts, and widget locations. Themes are essential to WordPress. With one, your site is fully functional. Therefore, WordPress includes a default theme you can customize or replace with a new one. Whether you want a clean and professional look or something more creative and colorful, there's a theme for you. Only one theme can be active on a WordPress site at a time. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're new to WordPress, simply go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin, and enter your login details. Once logged in, look at the left-hand menu and hover over Appearance. From the drop-down menu, click on Themes. You'll be taken to the Themes page, where you can see the themes currently installed on your site. To add a new theme, click on the Add New button at the top of the page. Here you'll enter the WordPress theme directory. You can browse through featured, popular, and latest themes, or use the feature filter to narrow down your options based on layout, features, and subject. Once you find a theme you like, hover over it and click Preview to see how it would look on your site. If you're happy with your choice, click the Install button. After the theme is installed, you'll see an Activate button. Click it to make the theme live on your site. Congratulations! You've successfully added and activated a new WordPress theme. Your site should now have a completely new look.